Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Welcome to lesson 3. Okay, so in the previous lesson, we have done 2 practices. In lesson 1, we have done the questions, information transfer questions on bullfight or Jallikattu. And for lesson 2, you should have done the practice on the questions on Datuk Lee Chong Wei. Okay, so for lesson 3, let's discuss the practice 2 answers, okay, before we proceed with practice 3. Okay, so now I would like you to refer to your module, page 11. Page 11 about Datuk Lee Chong Wei, the questions about Datuk Lee Chong Wei, practice 2. Okay, and then please take out your red pen and mark your answer. If you got it correct, you have to use your red pen, mark your answer, and then if you got it wrong, what you have to do is you have to do correction, okay, in the space provided. Okay, so let's discuss the answers. Okay, for question number 1, name of the player. Okay, so the question already stated here, name, so you have to provide the full name of the player. Okay, so the answer is Lee Chong Wei. Okay, you don't have to put Datuk here, because if you put Datuk here, it already 4 words, because we just want 3 words, right? Okay, so we just write Lee Chong Wei. Okay, and then place of birth. Okay, tempat dia dilahirkan, where is it? Okay, it is in Bagan Serai, Perak. Okay, Bagan Serai, Perak. 1, 2, 3 words. Okay, Bagan Serai, Perak. Achievement. Achievement meaning pencapaian. Okay, so what Datuk Lee Chong Wei has achieved in his career. Okay, so the achievement is as a professional badminton player. Okay, so this is the overall or the general achievement of Datuk Lee Chong Wei. Okay, now question number 4, favorite game. Okay, so although Datuk Lee Chong Wei is a badminton player, but his favorite game is basketball. Okay, so you can find the answer in paragraph 3. Okay, line 2. Okay, he favored basketball. Okay, so basketball is Datuk Lee Chong Wei's favorite game. Okay, so the answer is basketball. Okay, question number 5, the year the title Datuk given. Okay, which year? Okay, the answer is 2008. How do you know the answer is 2008? Okay, the answer is in paragraph 2. Okay, if you can see there, Lee is a triple silver medalist at the Olympic Games and the 6th Malaysian to win an Olympic medal. Okay, he won his first silver medal in 2008. Also, the first time as Malaysian had reached the finals in the men's singles event. The achievement earned him the title Datuk. Okay, so meaning that achievement, he earned the title Datuk. Okay, di pencapaian itulah yang menyebabkan dia dianugerah oleh pangkat Datuk. Okay, so the year, the answer is 2008. Okay. Now learn badminton at the age. Okay. Learn badminton at the age. Okay, sorry, I write it wrongly here. It is not 2. It's supposedly 11. Okay, because if you look at the paragraph 1, 2, 3, paragraph 3, line 3, Paragraph 3, line 3. Lee began to learn badminton at the age of 11 when his father, who liked to play the game, brought him to the badminton hall. Okay, so the answer is 11. Okay, so the answer is 11. Okay, and then for question number 7, aim in the future. Okay, what is the aim or the goal of Datuk Lee Chong Wei in the future based on the passage? Not now, based on the passage. Okay, so aim in the future is world's number 1. Okay. Okay, amount of reward. Okay, so you have to know the meaning of reward here. Okay, so reward adalah anugerah. Anugerah, okay, amount. Amount meaning how much. Okay, it must about the figure, berapa, berapa jumlah. Okay, duit yang dimenangi. Okay, yang dianugerahkan. Okay, so the answer is RM 300,000. Okay, so the answer is RM 300,000. So if you get it correct, please mark your answers like this. Okay, you mark it if you got it correct. Okay, so if you got it wrong, you just write the correct answer in the space provided here. Okay, so that's the answers or discussion for practice 2. Now let's move forward to practice 3. Okay, so for practice 3, the topic is basically about smoking. Okay, as we know, smoking is not good for our health. Okay, okay, so let's look at the short video here. Okay, it says about smoking can cause cancer, can cause many diseases in your body, can cause oral and lung cancer, can cause breathing problem, and can cause heart attack. Okay. Can even accelerate loss of hair. Okay. Okay, so osteoporosis is also one of the effects. Okay, and also problem of gums and teeth. Okay, so meaning smoking is not only dangerous for you, but it's also affect the other person or people around you. Okay, so they are considered as passive smokers. Although they are not smoking, but they will get the effect quite the same with the smoker. Smoking also addictive. Okay. Okay. So the advice here. Okay, the advice here. Please do not smoking. Okay, so if you already start smoking, you have to stop. Okay, if you don't start yet, You never start, okay? Because if you start, then it will be quite difficult for you to stop. Okay, so that's basically about the video of smoking and its effects on health, okay? Okay, so now let's look at practice 3, okay? So as usual, the tips here for you to read through the question and then read through the passage and identify the answers. Okay. Now let's look at the question, yeah. Okay, class. Complete the following graphic organizer. Choose no more than 3 words and or a number from the text for each answer. For each question, write your answer in the space provided. Smoking. Question number 1. Smoking is considered what? Okay, so smoking is considered what? Okay, boleh dikatakan sebagai apa? Boleh dipertimbangkan sebagai apa? Is it good or bad for your health? Okay, so you have to identify the answers. Okay, and then for question number 2 and 3, teenagers smoke for the following reasons. Okay, the clue here, teenagers smoke reasons. Okay, what are the reasons that lead to the teenagers to smoke? Okay. Why teenagers smoke? Okay, you have to give 2 reasons. Okay, 2 sebab. Kenapa remaja suka merokok? Okay, and then for question number 4 and 5, cigarettes contain. Okay, what's the meaning of cigarette? Cigarette is rokok. Okay, rokok. So cigarette contain, you have to know the meaning of contain here. What's the meaning of contain here? Contain is, in Malay we call it mengandungi. Okay, so the cigarette contains of what? What's the elements or substance in the cigarette? Apa dia bahan-bahan dekat dalam rokok? Okay, so you have to give 2 answers for question number 4 and 5. And question number 6 and 7, the question is risk of smoking for pregnant women. Okay, so as you know, smoking is dangerous, right? Okay, but what are the risks? Okay, risiko of smoking for pregnant. Okay, this one's especially for pregnant women. Okay, so if pregnant women they smoke or people near them smoke, okay, what are the risks that can happen to the pregnant woman? What will happen to the baby? What happen with the body of the pregnant woman? Okay, so this one you have to figure out in the passage letter. And then smoking causes. Okay, smoking menyebabkan apa? Causes is sebab. Okay, so smoking causes what? Okay, menyebabkan apa? Okay, now you already know the clues. Okay, what the question wants. Okay, now let's discuss the passage together. So after that you can try to do the practice on your own. Okay, now for practice 3, okay, we read the passage together, causes and effects of smoking. Okay, so for this, please refer to module page 12, okay, page 12, causes and effects of smoking. Okay, causes and effects of smoking. Okay, the first paragraph, smoking is bad for health. It leads to various complications in a smoker's body, affecting his body system. Smoke from the cigarettes is very harmful to health. Okay, cigarettes contain nicotine. Nicotine is a very addictive substance, making it difficult to get rid of this habit. Nicotine makes the smoker feel energized instantly. Another substance is tar. Tar damages the smoker's lungs gradually. Both these substances can cause cancer and damage inner body parts. Okay, so now let's look at what paragraph 1 means. Okay, so basically it tells about the idea of smoking. Okay, so the idea of smoking, smoking actually is bad for health. Okay, because it can cause or it leads to complications to smokers body, okay, and can give a bad effects on your body system. Okay, and then smoke from the cigarette also very harmful. Okay, here are some of the substance in cigarette. Okay, the first one is nicotine. Okay, so nicotine is a very addictive substance. Okay, addictive ni means sangat apa tu? What do we call it? Membuatkan kamu rasa ketagih. Okay, satu bahan yang membuatkan kamu rasa ketagih. So that's why people who smoke, okay, they feel that they want to smoke frequently, okay, frequently. They always want to smoke, okay, because of the addictive substance. Okay, dia rasa ketagih, so make it difficult to get rid of this habit. Okay, nicotine makes the smoker feels energized instantly. So when the smoker they smoke, okay, they feel energetic. Okay, they have the energy. Okay, and then another substance is tar. Okay, so tar is another substance. Okay, tar damage the smoker's lung gradually. Okay, so tar is not good for lungs, untuk paru-paru. Okay, so both of the substances can cause cancer and damage inner body parts. Okay, so these two substances are very dangerous. Okay, and it contains in cigarettes. Okay, so it is very dangerous. Okay, okay, so that's why you have to avoid cigarette. Okay. And then for paragraph 3, why do people smoke? Okay, so this one tells about the reason why people smoke. Yeah, people smoke for various reasons. A recent survey shows that peer pressure. Okay, peer pressure adalah tekanan rakan sebaya. Okay, for example, your friend is smoking. Okay, then you want to follow your friend. Okay, so you will smoke first. You will smoke too. Okay, so it is called peer pressure. Okay, so it's one of the important factor. Teenagers are being bullied into smoking too. So meaning that your friend force you to smoke. Okay, so that's also reason why teenagers start smoking. Okay, as time goes by until they become adults, they cannot quit smoking. Some smoke to look mature, while others to experiment. Okay, so here is the reason too, which is they want to look mature, and also they want to experiment. They want to try. Okay, they want to look mature. They want to try. Okay, so some teenagers follow their parents' footsteps. Okay, so let's say that your father is a smoker, then you look every day your father smoking every day, and then you also become a smoker, meaning that you follow your parents' footsteps lah, which is not good. Okay, so you have to differentiate lah the positive part, then you have to follow, and then the negative part you don't have to follow. Okay, and then the next paragraph, as for adults, they smoke for some reasons. Okay, so this is the reasons for adults, untuk orang dewasa, yang tadi untuk teenagers, untuk remaja, yang ini untuk adults. Okay, they smoke for some other reasons. It might be personal problems. Okay, because of personal problems, because of stress, because of peer pressure, and family problems or financial issues. Okay, so actually for adults, more reasons lah for they to smoke, okay, compared to teenagers. Okay, so if you look at the question, question number 2 and 3, right? Okay, teenagers smoke for the following reasons. Okay, so you have to identify the answers from paragraph 3 lah. Okay, jangan cari dekat paragraph 4 pula. Paragraph 4 adalah untuk adults. Okay, paragraph 3 for teenagers. Okay, now next paragraph, smoking while pregnant. Okay, while pregnant is very dangerous. It increases the chances of miscarriage. Okay, kenapa? Why? Why smoking while pregnant is dangerous and not good? Because the chances of miscarriage. Maksudnya keguguran, premature birth. Okay, kelahiran peramatang, and a low supply of oxygen to the growing baby and many other reasons. Okay, so this low supply of oxygen. So these are some of the risks, okay, some of the bad effects of smoking for pregnant women. Okay, miscarriage, premature birth, low supply oxygen. Okay, so smoking is very dangerous. Okay, not only to teenagers, not only to adults, but it is even more dangerous to the pregnant women. Okay, so as a smoker himself or herself must be firm and committed to quit smoking, because smoking kills. Okay, so basically this is the passage about causes and effects of smoking. Okay, now what I want you to do is for you to complete practice 3. Okay, this practice we already identified the clue there. Okay, in the questions, try to find the answer in the passage in practice 3. Okay, try to find the answer here. Okay, complete the questions. Okay, so I think we'll meet again in the next class. Okay, so that's all for lesson 3. Till we meet again in the next class. Bye. Assalamualaikum. Thank you.